What if I told you there's an infinite money glitch? No hacks, no scams, no illegal tricks, and almost nobody uses it correctly because it doesn't look like a glitch. It looks boring. But the people who understand it, they print money for decades. In video games, a money glitch is simple. You find a bug in the system, you exploit it, you get unlimited currency. In real life, people think the glitch is crypto, day trading, or AI automation. They read news articles about early Bitcoin investors turning $1,000 into millions. They see people all over social media flashing their wealth, driving Lambos. They see overnight success, and they think, I just need the right trick. But that's not a glitch. That's timing, plus risk, plus luck. Here's the real problem. Most people trade time for money. You work 8 hours, you get paid once. That's a capped system. No matter how hard you grind, you can't scale yourself infinitely. If income depends on your hours, there is no glitch. So here it is. Build once, get paid forever. That's it. That's the cheat code. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Create an asset. Assets pay you repeatedly. A digital course, a software tool, a niche blog, equity in a company, owning shares of Apple. You build or buy something that produces income without requiring you to show up every time. Step 2. Make it scalable. Scalable means selling to 10, 20, 10,000 people. That's why tech founders get rich, content creators win, and why digital products beat physical labor almost every time. You know the saying, work smarter, not harder. And for step 3, reinvest what you earned from steps 1 and 2. This is where the real magic happens. You don't spend the profits. You don't squander all your earnings buying presidential coins like I did in my 20s. You reinvest. You reinvest in more assets, better production, marketing, stocks, businesses. This creates compounding. It's boring at first. Year 1, nothing impressive. Year 2, still small. But by year 10, it looks like you hacked the system. Most people quit too early. They want the explosion before the foundation. The people who look lucky stayed long enough for compounding to kick in. The infinite money glitch is not 100 times leverage trading, meme coin gambling, passive income with zero work, buying random courses, or waiting for motivation. It's delayed gratification, consistency, it's ownership. Build assets, scale them, reinvest, repeat. That's the real infinite money glitch.